Right, welcome to video 4 in the onboarding series. So we now have created a Binance account, learned how to navigate through Binance, and also purchased Bitcoin, or more specifically, purchased USDT, and then converted that to Bitcoin. Now, before we send it to the high yield wallet, we need to actually create an account under the Digital Crypto Solutions brand. So Digital Crypto Solutions is actually a franchise for this high yield Bitcoin wallet software, meaning there are multiple websites hosting this software for the front end, but all of the wallets are connected on the back end, and we'll discuss that in a later video with the marketplace and discounts for Bitcoin. But first, what you want to do is come to the digitalcryptosolutions.com website. It looks like this. You can go through and read this, but for now, we're going to focus on the get a wallet option. And there will be this here, secure your generating Bitcoin wallet, get wallet, that link there, as well as if you scroll down, you will see it once again here, secure your yield generating Bitcoin wallet. So when you click on any one of these, let's click this one, it will redirect you to one of the white label service sites. So I'm going to show you both of these sites real quick. Right now, this is taking you to the drip2btc.com website where you would create your wallet, or it could redirect you to high-yield-btc.com. And in the future, depending on when you're watching this video, there could be other websites as well. So most important, as long as you are navigating from the digitalcryptosolutions.com homepage to get here, and then you're bookmarking this site, whatever site it sends you to, you are good to go. As well as you'll see down here at the bottom, there is an authenticate link at the bottom of both of these web pages. Let me bring up the other one real quick. And that authenticate will let you know that you are on the right site. So when you click the authenticate, it will help you verify the website. So you can type in here drip2btc.com, and this will tell you if it is a legitimate, authentic site. All right. So that's the safety procedures built in so you don't get scammed and sent to a unauthentic site. And you can get back to the website by clicking here or whichever site it took you to. So we're going to start with the drip to BTC because that's where it took us initially. We won't go through all of the details on the site because all we're really worried about is registering. So to register, click the hamburger icon or scroll all the way down until you get to this red area that says register now to start earning Bitcoin. Click on the checkbox below to start registration for your yield-bearing Bitcoin wallet. And then you have to check this box. I acknowledge, let's read that first. I acknowledge that I am aware of the minimum deposit requirement for this wallet. The minimum deposit requirement is 0.0007 Bitcoin, which comes out to roughly $50 or about 35 British pounds, depending on the price of Bitcoin. At right now, around $65,000. That is what you will be investing or have to use to send to this yield generating wallet. And this is due to the nature of the Bitcoin blockchain and how transactions are validated and verified, and also the costs of those verification procedures. So that's just the minimum you have to send. You'll still receive every bit of that, minus, of course, the fees that are associated on validating that block for that transaction. So we'll click I accept, and you see that there. The minimum deposit requirement, a minimum of 0.0007 BTC is required to receive Bitcoin deposits from the Bitcoin blockchain. Any deposit sent to your wallet that is less than that will be lost. And then you can actually watch this explanation if you want to learn more. And you can just go ahead and decline as well if you don't want to send that much. But first, we're here. I'm going to go ahead and create a new account. So I put in my email and it says confirm your registration. Submission code was just emailed to you. Please check your email and enter the submission code below. So I will get that from my email. Paste that in here. Now, this is literally all it takes for you to create an account. this is it. Once you use an email and you get the code, you are inside the dashboard. So we will actually go through this dashboard in another video. This video was meant to only cover how to create an account. So just as a refresher, you're going to be going to the Digital Crypto Solutions homepage, scroll to the Get Wallet. There will be 2 sites as of this video, but there could be others that it redirects you to. You can always double check the authenticate at the bottom of those sites once you are sent to it. And then once you're there, you will just register. All you need is an email. And then before you send Bitcoin to your high yield Bitcoin generating wallet, you will need to be aware that, remember, each transaction is a minimum of 0.0007. You don't lose that. That's just enough for the block to get validated and not get stuck pending with smaller amounts. So you will receive every bit of that every single time. And we're going to show you that in the next video. So tune in for part 5, where we will be showing you how to use the Digital Crypto Solutions site, going through the menu and what options are available there. So see you in the next one.